Everybody has a story, a lifetime experience during this pandemic. One thing is sure, everybody's schedule has been changed all of a sudden. You have to accept this fact. But at the same time, we have so much time to do other things also. It happened to me when I cleaned a room. I got some old brushes and some half tin used enamel oil based color. It is usually used to color the iron grills, stands, and thinner and some old plastic containers. I didn't want to invest much time to do some intense or intricate work, though I love to do paintings. And I didn't have opportunity to go outside to buy some other colors or some stuffs related to this. So I was happy to have some basic things to color my old containers. So let me show you what I did quickly and easily to give a new look to my old containers for the gardening. It is not a time-consuming activity, it's totally fun, believe me. You can beautify your small garden, your balcony with these plastic containers quickly and easily.